Welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. One of my students asked me to do a series of videos on fractions. So this is the first one. We're going to cover what a fraction is and how to change it from a mixed number to an improper fraction or an improper fraction to a mixed number. There'll be follow-up videos on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Let's do it. We use fractions anytime we cut things into equal parts. So let's say we have a pizza. All right, I use pizzas a lot because drawing something vaguely circular is within my drawing capabilities. We're going to cut that pizza into 8 pieces. The number on the bottom of a fraction is how many pieces it takes to make a whole number. The number on the top is the number that we have. In this case, we have 8 out of 8. So that tells us that this is a whole pizza. All right. Well, let's say somebody comes along and eats a piece. Now we have 7 out of 8. All right. Let's say somebody comes along and eats another piece. Now we have 6 out of 8. But now, if you've dealt with fractions before, we know that sometimes this changes into 3/4. What exactly is going on there? Well, what's going on there is when we divide each one by 2, we are getting rid of the cut lines. All right, that means we're combining 2 pieces. So 6/8 is the same as 3/4. So now we have 3 and it would take 4 to get it a whole. Okay? This number on the bottom, because it's how many make a whole, tell us how big the piece is. The bigger the number, the smaller the piece. 8 is bigger than 4, and 1/4 is bigger than 1/8. Okay? Let's look at when we have a mixed number. What does that mean, actually? All right, let's look at 2 1/4. Physically, it looks like that. All right? Let's fix that one so that it's not quite so oddly shaped. All right? That's 2 1/4. So we want to change this to an improper fraction. That is, change the number so it's all a fraction and no mixed number. Improper fraction will have more on the top than they will on the bottom. All we do is we take these 2 and we cut them into fourths. Now we can count the fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took this 2 and we cut each one into 4 pieces. So that gives us 8 plus 1 is 9. 9/4, because there are 9 pieces that are the size of a fourth. Okay? So that's changing things from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now let's go the other way. All right, here we have 9/4. Let's look at how we can make that into a mixed number. Because actually, 9/4 is not nearly as informative when we're talking to somebody as 2 1/4, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the various parts of a circle and stick them together. We're going to take this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. That's 1. All right? Now we're going to take this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. That's 2. So the first 4 go here, the second 4 go here, and then we have this one last one left over. So that is 2 wholes and 1/4. So how do we do this without drawing all the pictures? All right, let's look. We know we have 9 pieces. We know it takes 4 to make a whole. So we subtract off 4. Gives us 5 pieces left. This is subtract off another 4. And we have 1 left. So we have 2 wholes and 1 piece that is 1/4 left. So we have 2 1/4. Okay, to do this faster, we can divide. 9 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, there's the 8 pieces that make up the 2 whole pizzas. We have 1 left over. All right, when we're dealing with fractions, we just take this remainder and put it over the 4, because this is literally saying 1 divided by 4, which is what we have here. So, there's our 2 1/4. All right, let's try this with a different number. We have 1 3/5. All right, we'll split this one into 5 pieces, and we take 3 of them. So we have 1 3/5. We make it an improper fraction by taking this one and splitting it into 5 pieces. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 8/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go the other way by subtracting 5 out of this 8. All right, 5/5 plus 3/5 make 8/5. Okay? All we're doing is we're taking our pile of fifths and separating them out into 2 piles. This is 1. So we have 1 3/5. Three and 1/9. That means the whole takes 9. So the 3 is going to give us 27 pieces. Plus 1 is 28. 28/9. So we got 3 and 1/9. Nine from here, 9 from here, 9 from here, and 1 from there. 27, 28. If we have 28 little pieces that are 1/9 in size, all right, we got all these little triangular pieces here. What we're going to do is we're going to make a pile of 9 of them. So we're going to take them from this pile and just make little piles of 9. Okay. Until we can't anymore. All right, we're going to have 3 piles of 9 here. And then we're going to have 1 that's left over here. Just 1. So this is 3 1/9. 28 divided by 9 gives us 27. And that's 3. 3 times 9 is 27. And we have 1 left over, 3 1/9. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week. So that is 2 wholes and 1/4. And it's kitty cuddle time! cuddle time. You're gonna get cuddled whenever you climb up there.